Hey there, my name's David. On this episode of Unusual Foods, I'll be doing a taste test of Brad's Atomic Tomato, this thing here. So this is a pretty impressive looking tomato. So you can see the colors of that. Got a lot of these reddish green orange streaks on it. So the one thing with this, it's really hard to know when they're ripe because they're mostly green and then they just start to get these red kind of colorings on them, and that's when you have to eat them. If you wait even just a couple days past this, they go bad right away. So they're really hard to pick, these things, quite honestly. So the inside, I've got another one here. This one's cut. You can see the inside. So it's like kind of greenish, a little bit orangish yellow in the inside. And that's about it. So we're gonna do a taste test of this thing now and see what it tastes like. For something that looks so amazing, it's not the most amazing tasting tomato. Kind of tastes like aroma. Very watery, not that sweet. Let's try this one. Lots of liquid, very chewy. Yeah, very chewy tomato, very liquidy. Kind of tastes like a mixture of aroma and a beefsteak. So I mean, you know, it's not the best tasting tomato out there. The best tasting tomato I've ever tasted is the white, was it Great White tomato? That is fantastic. This one, I mean, it is what it is. You could put this in some jambalaya or some chili or something, or a stir fry, whatever. This is one I would mix in with something. I wouldn't eat this like on a whatever open-faced toast sandwich thing or something like, or on a BLT or something like that. I wouldn't eat that on this. I mean, I wouldn't be opposed to it. Really watery, chewy, not overly flavorful, not the best tasting tomato, but now we know. So hopefully you enjoyed this episode. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and until next one, have a good one.